So now that you've downloaded the Help with Tech extension, you'll be able to use it by clicking on our logo in the top right corner of your screen. This will allow you to request on-demand tech assistance by clicking Get Tech Help Now. You'll then be presented with a little bit of information, and when you're ready, go ahead and click Start Session. Once you do that, you'll be placed in a waiting room where you'll see a list of instructions to your left, and you'll be able to enjoy a nice game of solitaire while you're waiting for your techie. A techie will then claim your service, and we'll let you know once we've found a techie to solve your issue. This will then place the two of you into a meeting room where you'll be able to share your screen with the techie and receive virtual technology assistance. So to share your screen, simply click the green Share Screen button on the left side, and then click on the window you'd like to share, and lastly click the blue Share button. This will allow the techie to see your screen, and the techie can basically help annotate your screen if you're struggling in finding a certain button to click or where to type something. The techie can circle it for you, or the techie can draw an arrow for you. That's in addition to also describing the issue in words. After you've received the tech help you need, simply navigate back to the video platform and click Leave. Then click Go to Feedback. Lastly, just fill out a very quick 30-second survey, and you're done with your session. Help with Tech also allows you to see all of your recordings of your past sessions at the bottom of your homepage. This is only for you and not the techie.